What's up, guys? Welcome to today's ChatGPT video. Today I got a nice tutorial, a little easy, a little simple for you guys to follow along and understand how to get past the ChatGPT, the AI detector. A lot of people have been checking to see either if a human wrote an article or an essay or if AI wrote it, and there's a lot of tools out there that go ahead and detect this stuff. So hopefully by the end of this video you guys will learn a thing or two, and all I ask is for you guys to hit the like button if you guys want more videos like this. I mean, this is like the dark side. I don't know if this is the dark side of the internet. I don't know, guys. You guys can make up your mind. But anyways, I got some AI content detectors for you guys. I'm gonna be checking out with the AI detector from Content at Scale, as well as my favorite, the GPT-0. So basically it finds out if you AI wrote it or if a human wrote the article or whatever. So I already did a prompt. I made a prompt. I already had it, so it wrote it out for me. We don't have to wait for it to type. It says, write me an article about SpongeBob. So it wrote me an entire article about SpongeBob. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this here and paste it into my AI detector. So it's gonna check for AI content. While it's going, I'm gonna go into GPT-0 and do the same thing, get my results. And let's see here, human content score. This is on the first AI detector. I got a 43%, which is terrible and likely to be AI generated. It can turn it, there's a pattern, the probability, predictability, and then it kind of brings up some stuff that people are kind of, this AI detector is a little sus about. What about GPT-0? Still getting the results here. We'll wait a little bit and see what it says. Here we go. It says your text is likely to be written entirely by AI. So it goes ahead and gives me everything why it should. It gives me some stats and stuff like that, the score. So this article is clearly written by AI. It failed these AI detectors, but how do we rewrite this so it might seem like a human wrote that? So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys 4 prompts that I enjoy. I have to give a shout out to another YouTuber as well as some other people, because there's things that, like, there's some prompts that work, some prompts that don't work, and some prompts will get like patched, if you would say. And so it's constantly like, these prompts are constantly evolving for you guys to stay on top of. That's why I made this channel. So make sure you guys do subscribe to stay up on top. So if any of these prompts change or any of these detectors can detect something, you guys have to keep updating whatever prompts you guys are using. So I'm gonna try keeping you guys up to date on those latest prompts. But success with AI, as well as some people on Twitter, helped me figure this prompt out, or these 4 prompts out. Some of it is from Success with AI, so shout out to him. Huge awesome guy. And so anyways, the first prompt that we're gonna be doing is the simple, I'm going to give you some information before asking you to write an article. Do you understand? All right, so the first prompt that I'm going to be using is this one. I am going to give you some information before asking you to write an article. Do you understand? They said, yes, I understand. Go ahead and provide me the whatever information. So shout out to Success with AI. He actually defined this prompt for us to use in one of his videos. I'll link it below. But basically, this asks the AI to write the article or the essay with more perplexity as well as a burstiness, and you want to make sure that this chatbot will understand. He says, yes, I understand, and then okay, it just describes his whatever he's going to be doing. So the third piece of prompts that I'm going to show you guys is this one. So you're going to go ahead and copy your essay or article, whatever you guys had, and then you want to go back to your prompt and then paste it. But before you paste it, you want to go ahead and make sure you put this prompt in front of it. So using the concepts written previously, rewrite this article with a high degree of perplexity as well as burstiness. And now it is the entire article that we had written before. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter. Now for the last prompt, you want to go ahead and type, rewrite this article changing 50% of nouns and verbs for similar ones, rewrite verb usages, add natural sounding variation in complexity, but retain the same tense and overall meaning. So now it's going to go ahead and rewrite it with that 4th prompt. All right, so using all 4 of those prompts, a little bit of a mixture of some prompts we found throughout the internet, we can go ahead and copy this thing now. We're going to refresh the AI detector on both of these, and now I'm going to go ahead and paste, and then I'm going to go ahead and check for AI content, paste, agree to the terms, get results. So let's see if this passed. It says Here we go. Humans content score 70%. So now we went to the AI detector. It says your text may include parts written by AI. So this again gives us a score, a 30, 45. It honestly, it's not that bad. However, though, it's not perfect because obviously there's still some AI detection, but obviously it's much better than it was before. So you could go ahead, use these tools, figure out exactly where they thought it was written by AI, and then you can be creative and figure out ways to change it, or just start typing like it yourself. And then you can go ahead and copy and paste in ChatGPT. Write this article as if I was writing the article in languages that I use. The more you guys keep training the ChatGPT, the better and the better it's going to be, and these AI detectors will not be able to figure it out. So I hope this helped you guys out a little bit. Like I said before, it's not going to be perfect. Like, the AI is always getting better and increasing how they can view these ChatGPT articles, and if they can detect to see if it's made by AI or not. So like I said, that 70 is really not perfect. You got to keep tweaking and changing and updating your prompts to make sure it's better and better and better. And like I said, I mean, that was just a difference of a month. So prompts are continuously going to change, so make sure you guys stay updated, and I'm going to be giving you guys all the latest information, all the latest prompts that you guys need to use for ChatGPT, just to try some cool stuff at home or whatever you guys are working on. So anyways, though, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys do subscribe, and take care. Peace out.